Cartoons.
And more, you might adopt it. Brittney and more
Hey there, space fans! My name is Quasimodo, and guess what the movies is all about? Yep, you guessed it. Elio is now available in theaters. So, pay attention because we're here for the top 10 most unbelievable pics taken in space. Isn't it right, Squeeze Toy Alien? Ooh, space. Well, anyways, enjoy the video.
Final Frontier.
Ooh, the space is all clear about that.
And today we'll be counting down the top 10 most mind-blowing pics taken in space. Before we begin, we publish new content every day. So be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. For this list, we're looking at the most impressive, awe-inspiring, colorized photos.
I know it's a space here, but nobody's going to
Number
bet
10,
that.
Saturnian hurricanes. Our planet has had more than its fair share of natural disasters.
So one of the space is all about this clean up this place. But you know what they say, the situation on that.
The sixth planet from the sun. Violent yet beautiful, this photo inspires awe with its magnificent contrasting colorized hues, while the storm itself commands respect. That churning, dark, red-colored eye has an estimated diameter of 1,250 miles and boasts wind speeds of up to 330 miles per hour.
Speeds, huh?
Situated
I know
on
it's a
Saturn's
very
North Pole, impacted in 2004 by the
I know the
Cassini
space is a
spacecraft,
plenty
the
of
storm
things
makes for
about
an
this.
unforgettable sight. Just not one
But
you
that's
want to
very
get any
particular
closer to.
thing on that.
Number 9, NGC 4038 and NGC 4039. Found in the Corvus constellation, and referred to collectively as the Antennae galaxies, NGCs 4038 and 4039 are two galaxies merging to become one. They've been of great interest to humanity since their discovery in 1785 by astronomer Friedrich Wilhelm Herschel. One can only imagine the excitement he would have felt seeing the photos of his discovery.
Oh, the galaxies don't clear it up, mine.
Wide-field planetary camera too. With its clear impression of movement and colossal energy, there's something truly magical about this composite image. And though uncommon, this isn't the only set of merging galaxies of its kind. ARP-256 has similarly fascinated the scientific community. Number 8, Veil Nebula. Like something straight out of a science fiction film, this photo of the Veil Nebula can only be described as electrifying. It looks like some sort of otherworldly blue space lightning arcing across a canvas of black space and stars,
but that's
seemingly
clearly
radiating
about
with
this.
heat. In reality, however, you are looking at hot ionized gas and dust particles, which can be found in the Cygnus constellation. It is the remains of a supernova, and though its explosive past is well behind
that,
the Veil
right?
Nebula remains a massive, powerful, and, quite simply, a moving sight to behold. Number 7, V838 Monocerotis. Looking at this distant star and its dust cloud formations, it can be hard to believe that you're actually
I see a star!
and not some sort of fantasy painting.
That's a
The
particular
vivid colors,
thing on
the
about
manner in
that.
which they swirl, and the composition of the image all combine to create something truly breathtaking. In 2002, this red supergiant star had a stellar outburst, which the good folks behind the Hubble were kind enough to monitor, photograph, and share with the rest of the world. This light pulse affected the surrounding dust and the manner in which we perceive it. Suffice it to say, the end result is stunning. Number 6, Westerland 2. We've got one word for you, purple. Or should we say pink? Actually, as we move towards the outer edge of this photograph,
Well,
of a
I'm
remarkable
definitely purple,
extraplanetary
but I'm gonna
formation,
wear
the colors begin to shift towards more of a dark red. Okay, perhaps we can't summarize this stunning
that
celestial sight in
clothing
one
thing
word.
is
Unless, of
very
course, that word
wicked.
is wow. This young star cluster is actually found in our very own galaxy, the Milky Way, and apart from being beautiful, is notable in that it is home to some of the largest and brightest stars in the known universe. Full of young, massive objects, this is a star cluster full of wonder. Number 5. Hubble Ultra Deep Field. While there are many beautiful images of space out there, not all really put celestial bodies into perspective. This particular photo, however, is sure to make you feel very,
Photos
very
are really
small.
fun about
Published by
that.
NASA in 2004 and taken using the ubiquitous Hubble telescope, this truly mind-blowing image allows you to look at not one, but roughly 10,000 galaxies, both near and far, all at once.
10,000
A composite
galaxies?
photo that looks back
That's a
billions
lot
years.
of galaxies
What makes this
come
image even
true.
more staggering is that it covers just a small area of space. Sure is a big universe out there. And in 2012, NASA released an updated version known as Extreme Deep Field. Number 4, NGC 1603. Another awe-inspiring sight to behold. Like Westerland 2, NGC 1603 is a densely packed cluster of stars. This swirling nebula is not only home to massive young stars, but also a huge cloud of gas and plasma, which captures the light in fascinating ways. Westerland 2 might boast some of the largest stars, but you might be able to make out from this image that NGC 1603 is home to the most densely packed concentration of them in the Milky Way. To put this stunning image in perspective, the largest star...
No way, I
in
just
NGC
really like the
1603
galaxies
is
coming to you
132
that, you know?
times the size of our own
That's a
sun.
collected way.
Number 3, Horsehead Nebula. This particular celestial formation is so famous, you likely already know it by name. A dark nebula located in the even more iconic constellation Orion. This cloud of gas and dust is also known as Barnard 33 and was first discovered in 1888 by astronomer Williamina Fleming. Over the years, it has been photographed numerous times to increasingly awe-inspiring effect. Hydrogen gas gives this nebula a chance to boast its beautiful pink and reddish glow, while the dense concentrations of dust give it a dynamic texture. A dramatic sight.
Well, I
It's little
didn't
wonder
see
the
that
Horsehead Nebula
before,
has become one
but
of the
that's a
most
very
photographed icons
particular
in
question,
space.
you know?
Number 2,
That's more
the
like
Blue
it.
Marble. In search of truly awe-inspiring images, we've traveled deep into space, but one of the most mind-blowing extraplanetary photos is actually of us. This ultimate selfie was taken in 1972
Still
by the
love the
crew of Apollo
galaxies coming
17.
true, you
The
know?
first Blue Marble photo
That's
was
more
shot at a
exactly
distance
like
of
this one.
18,000 miles from Earth, and it was unlike anything we'd seen before. Since then, as technology has improved, NASA has continued to release updated versions of this same shot. The 2012 update, taken from the Suomi NPP satellite, allows us to see our planet.
Ooh, galaxy! I want to see the galaxy on the
Before we reveal our
planet!
top pick, here are a few honorable mentions.
Well, we have Memes and Saturn Springs, Cone Nebula, Saturn from Cassini.
Number 1, Pillars of Creation. Of the many iconic photos taken in space, this is most likely the most famous and celebrated. After all, you don't get a name like Pillars of Creation by being just average. This gaseous
I
formation,
seen that
found
the
in
honorable
Messier
mentions
16,
on this.
also known as the
Well,
Eagle
that's
Nebula,
particular one
truly
to
looks
that.
divine. Set against a breathtaking background of bright stars, these dark, shapely columns are outlined by a bright, almost fluorescent glow. Of course, there's more to this phenomenon than good looks. This photograph is so named because we are seeing the formation of new stars,
I seen that before
along with the
anyways.
progressive erosion of these columns from nearby starlight. Both in appearance and concept, this photo inspires.
Well, thank you for watching Space Week 2025. I hope you enjoyed this one. So, let's give some more videos, more information, more reaction videos, and so much themes. So, this is Quasimodo, signing off. And have a blast day. Bye.
Well, that's all, folks. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.
Get lost. Well, TTWRT. See you soon.